So this is the other half of Carol and Dave's puppies. Toby already carried the first 3. We are headed to the vet. Y'all are so excited to go for car rides. Oh my goodness. Y'all are so happy. Happy, happy puppies. Happy, happy puppies. You gotta be fast. All right, guys, let's go. We'll see you there.
What do you think, kids? We made it. I see some of you got some wet faces. Yeah, I see some of you got wet faces. It looks like all but you. All but Miss Yellow. Everybody else looks like they've got slobbery faces. Oh my goodness.
Come on.
One more. That's the first half. All right. Now the other 3. Who's ready to go see the doctor? You can unzip it. Unzip it and see you. Say hi, guys. Say we got wet faces.
Oh no, what's the wet faces for?
Say how that car ride.
Oh no, did you throw it up? Oh, just a little bit.
I don't think anybody actually threw up. They
no
just drooling.
Oh,
So
you are cute. Look at you.
she is very pretty.
You're cute. I saw you through the thing.
She's a very pretty girl.
Hi.
She says my mom needs to wipe my mouth off. I guess I need to. We are 6.5 weeks old.
How much longer for you to get to meet your new people?
So some of us have already met our new people. They've come and picked them out, but they get to go home at 8 weeks. So
Oh, right in time for Christmas.
yeah, so a week and a half. Look at her with her ears pulled down, sweet girl. What are y'all doing? Huh?
Oh, you're a big one.
Yeah, that's the boy.
Oh, Denise. Look at y'all. You two are cute too. Well, you're all cute, but
A little bit different. Everybody's
everybody's
special.
You have 2 patches and you have no patches.
Yeah.
Put your ears high. I'll pet everybody.
Look at her teeth. Grab that one. No,
Which
the
one?
one behind that's licking you.
This one?
Yeah, pick her up. Look at her teeth.
Let me see your teeth first. What's your teeth look like? What's your teeth look like? Let me see your teeth. Oh, you got a baby underbite. She's a baby.
She says, yeah, that's me. I'm the special one.
That's a baby
I'm
underbite.
special.
Hi. I'm gonna go home and everybody's gonna be like, what's that baby smell on you? Oh man. All that good smelling stuff. Nothing better than babies. Oh. This is so what it's about. And people wonder, oh, you just play with babies all day. No, we live for this. Yeah. Oh, you climbing me? What are you doing?
He is
What are
a...
you
Hi.
doing?
Hey, sorry about your weight.
That's okay. We're getting lots of lovins.
Yes, this one's like, please stay with me.
underbite girl. Yeah.
You had to get the big flirt. He's always so happy.
He's so happy.
Happy.
Oh, he's gonna be dead. You gonna be dead. Oh, he's gonna be.
Oh, that's what Dave does.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh man.
Look at that tail just a going.
This is melting my heart.
Look at him.
Look at you.
You
are a lover.
Yeah.
You are a big flirt, bro.
Oh. That's David.
Oh,
That
man.
is Dave.
I'm gonna take you home with me. I'm sorry, people.
I got mine lined up for me.
Oh, my goodness.
The head just kills me.
He's so
You're a
sweet.
good dog. Yes, you are. Oh, oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
He said, I'll just sleep right here. There's Miss Pink. Well, that's Miss Yellow. That's our underbite girl.
You're stinking cute, though. You don't let nobody say anything else bad about you, no.
Yeah. I'm perfect.
You perfect. She has a cute face.
Yeah.
Her markings are really cute. Are y'all sleeping down here?
Look at ours down here. Oh, you can't really tell the two apart. Well, y'all sleeping. Y'all gonna miss out on snuggles.
Not missing out on the snuggle bus.
Wake up.
There's Miss Purple.
Miss Purple?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see you.
Yeah.
The flirt's coming back.
No, that one's Miss Pink. Look at him. He's like, are you kidding me? You put me down.
Right?
Sweet thing.
Who's else is hiding in there?
Mr. Green back there sleeping.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
You're
my
long.
goodness. Oh my goodness.
Look at his whiskers. They're so long and scraggly.
Oh, what you wild things doing? Oh, what your wild things doing? Oh, you're gonna get it.
There he is. Big boy, Mr. Green.
What do you think, handsome?
He's like, I was sweeping.
He is. He's like, I was taking a nap. I almost got out of it.
You got my thumb.
Good.
Ouch.
What are you doing, guys?
Oh my goodness.
I think it kind of worked out to come a little bit later than the 2, because usually I skip lunch at 2 o'clock, or on my 2 o'clock appointments. So they got their lunch, they got to party, all that good stuff.
I like it at the end of the day. It's a good way to end the day. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah. Warm out. At least half of them. You are a stinker. Huh?
He's grabbing your shirt.
Yeah.
And he just holds it. It's not like he...
Yeah, he just grabs it.
Yeah.
You trying to climb my arm?
He's like, take me with you.
You already spoken for it, bro. They might hunt me down to come get you, huh? Oh, you come see me too. I can take you. Oh, you're cute. Oh. Yeah, you're pretty cute. Yes, you are. Oh.
Sweet. So she's the last female that's not reserved after picking, and now that everybody cleared their vet, and then our boy that's the whitest, he's still available too. What do you think, guys? But he's so sweet.
Everybody, they are so cute. Good job, guys.
All right, guys. Y'all did a good job. All right, guys. We need to make it back home, okay? Y'all did a good job. Good job, everybody. All right, guys. We made it home, and it is dark outside, so we are going to have to go and get inside and get ready and feed dinner. Saying that is it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.